Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a look at the question called breaking the records. So here Maria wants to play basketball and wants to go pro for the next season. She usually plays this basketball game in her college, but now she has planned to go pro, so she wants to have a program which can calculate how many times did she break her previous record and previous maximum record, and how much time she had broken her previous minimum record. So here in the scoreboard she had scored 20 in the second game and 25 in the seventh game. That means she had broke her previous score, that is 10 to 20 once on the second game. That means we need to increment the maximum value as 1, maximum count as 1, and the next time she broke her record, which was 20 earlier, is 25, so we need to increment the maximum count as 1 again, which makes our maximum highest score breaking as 2. So here in the array we need to print it as 2, and similarly this goes for the minimum lowest score counting as well. So previously she broke the minimum score of 10 with 5, and next she broke the minimum score as 4, and next she broke the minimum score as 2 and 1. So that means 1 2 3 4 times she broke her minimum score, and we need to put that in the second element of the array, and in the end we need to output this particular array. And that's all goes to this problem, and we are going to implement this algorithm here, and we'll just solve this problem. So first we'll take the maximum a variable, and we are going to assign the initial value of scores to that. So scores of 0 to max, and similarly we are going to do that for the min. So let me just copy paste it because we are lazy, and so we need to count the maximum score, so we need to have that variable as well, and we'll have a for loop which iterates from the second element of the array, and it passes through the scores array until we reach the length of the array, and we're going to increment this by 1. So here goes the trick. If we have scores of I, that is if we have the first element greater than the max element, which is the previous element of the scores, then we are going to have a new max record as scores of I, and max count we are going to increase it by 1, and we are going to copy paste this thing for the min. And so if the first element of the scores is less than the min value, then we are going to have the min value, then we are going to have this scores value to the minimum variable, and we are going to increment the min count by 1, and we are going to create an array for this. The result array equals to this is going to have 2 elements. So in the first element we are going to have the max count. We are going to copy paste it because we are lazy, and in the second element we are going to put the minimum bound, and we are going to return this array. So yeah, that's all to this problem, and we are going to run this. Let's see what happens. It's uploading, it's processing. Yeah, so sample test cases got passed, and we are going to submit it. Okay, so all the test cases got successful as well. So that's all to this problem. So please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, and if you have a better solution than this, which is going to be more efficient in the time complexity and the space complexity, then please let me know in the comments. That would be great learning material for me as well. Thank you. Have a good day.